for operations. The first benefit is by using this Force.com platform, we can customize the existing Salesforce CRM application. By using this Force.com platform, we can customize the existing Salesforce CRM application. That means what? Whatever the Salesforce CRM application has been given by Salesforce, whatever the features have been given by Salesforce as part of that CRM application, according to our business requirement, we can customize the features. We can arrange the features according to our business needs. That possibility is available. Like for example, Salesforce has given some 100 features as part of this CRM application. But I'm using that Salesforce CRM, but my business is very, very small. So 50 features are sufficient for me. Remaining 50 features I don't want. So then what we can do, whatever the 50 features which I'm using as part of my business need, I will make the 50 features to be visible on the user interface. Remaining 50 features, I will make it hide. I don't want to display that on the user interface because those are not required for me. I don't want to make my user interface complex. I want to make my user interface very, very simple to me. I want to make my user interface is easy to understand, and then this is very, very lightweight, and so that I would like to make my components handy to me. Whatever the features are required, I want to make that features handy to me. Handy to me means what? Whenever I need that feature, directly I can click on that. I don't want to search where it is like that. I want to make that required features to be visible on that user interface. So I want to make the features handy to me. For that reason, we can able to customize with the help of this Force.com platform. Next one. Second one, by using this Force.com platform, we can leverage the application features by adding the additional enhancements. That means whatever the features has been given by Salesforce by default as part of Salesforce CRM, if those features are not sufficient, if those are not sufficient, I want some more. I want some more features. Then what we can do? In this case, we can able to build those features and we can able to
Hey, Firoz, not sure if you're talking, we're unable to hear you.
Sir, voice is not audible, sir.
Now, so now here in this case, so whatever the ready-made features has been given by Salesforce, if those ready-made features are not suitable, if those are not sufficient, if you want some more features as part of this application requirement, then we can able to add those additional features with the help of by leveraging the functionality with the help of Force.com platform. So through Force.com platform, we can able to extend that existing functionalities of the application, the possibilities available to you. Now, the third one, you can raise one more question. Sir, not only adding some small features, can't we build our own application from the scratch? Yes, that is also possible. So with the help of this Force.com platform, we can build our own custom applications. We can build our own custom applications. Like what kind of applications? Only CRM applications? No, any kind of applications we can build. Okay, we can build any kind of application. We can build the banking applications, finance applications, insurance applications, manufacturing applications, consulting applications, and then life sciences applications, and then pharma related applications, and the CRM applications also. Anything, whatever you want, automobile, anything, any kind of applications you can build from the scratch. That possibility is available.
Can we build an application like logistic applications like Flipkart?
Yes, anything. Yes. Okay, like for example, now I think you are aware of one application. Okay, one organization called as, okay, like one of the largest the logistic application is available, Jebronics. Okay, Jebronics is purely using Salesforce implementation. Jebronics is purely using Salesforce implementation. It's a manufacturing, it's a sales and marketing, it's a supply chain management application. Okay, so every application we can build, like as e-commerce applications also, POS applications also, point of sales application. Point of sale means what? Whenever you are going to supermarket or a shopping mall to buy some items, they are going to be generating that bill. After selecting all the items, when you go to the billing counter, they will scan the item through a barcode scanner that generating the bill. Those kind of applications are called as point of sale application. Those are also we can develop. E-commerce applications like as Flipkart, Amazon, all these things. Everything we can build. So for that e-commerce, especially Salesforce has given a feature called as Commerce Cloud recently. Salesforce has introduced Commerce Cloud, which is purely e-commerce based application. Salesforce has given by ready-made here. Now, so all the kinds of applications you can build. There is no limitation at all. Now, the next one. So now by using this Force.com platform, not only building the applications, okay, by your own, once the application has been developed, okay, once application has been developed, then whatever the application we have built, we can integrate that application with any external systems also. Now, so whatever the applications that we have built, those applications we can integrate with any external systems also. We can integrate the Salesforce applications with any